Hey Siri, call Edgar Preciado Mobile.
Calling Edgar Preciado Mobile.
Never seen the WinkMan?
The WinkMan?
He came to my shop the other day and I fixed that trailer for him.
Hey, Senor, I'm at lunch. Can I call you back?
Sure.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye. All right, too. Thank you.
Wink.
Let's go say hi. See if we... Also, what is it? Welcome to 2022. Like, hey, I know that guy.
We were admiring your truck, like your van's nice.
I was admiring yours, man.
Yeah, you didn't meet he's the WinkMan, right?
He's the WinkMan.
That's the WinkMan.
Let's see. Yeah. Take his hat off.
Always the
You can have that flatbed come straight from the front of the truck, and then right here it's gonna hit right here. So over here, we'll just build like a little fender, outer fender that sticks out, and it covers all the mud from going up in there. Then I would build something about this height, just to cover the apron, and then make a nice clean look. And of course, if you know, if we need it over the top, we can build it up high. It's up to you. But visibility out there, I think, is good to have it with an open window. So.
Yeah, I never even thought about that, but that's right.
Yeah, I built.
Look at the fence.
I built some awesome hitches that go here. So it'll be an apron, and it'll be welded to the seat channel. Bumper bolt.
What do you guys do? I mean, what's your main thing over there? Is it just customization, hydraulics, or
equipment repair?
Okay.
So we do everything that's got to do with equipment. We do bobcats, backhoes, you know, loaders, stuff like that. But then when it comes to that, customers come with trucks towing their equipment and like, hey, we can do this, we can change this, we can make it however you need it, so it serves the purpose that you want. Alright, hi guys.
Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you guys.
Oh, man.
Take care. I didn't even see that.
Thanks a lot.
Thanks, man.
It
Nice
is
meeting you.
gonna be an awesome year, right? And if it is, if it's not, we're just gonna pound this tray with a big old mullet until it gets to perfect.
Mullet or mallet?
Mullet.
A mullet?
Mullet. You know what? Next time I'm just gonna say hammer. Alright? We're gonna beat it with the hammer until it's straight. And it's gonna be a great year.